Hello, students. I'm going to explain a grade 12 question in this book, Calculus and Vector for a Nielsen school textbook. The question is in chapter 6.3. And let's go on. Please subscribe my video. Thank you. So on Unit 6.3, question 22. So for this diagram, ABCD is a trapezoid whose diagonal AC and BD. So look at this vector direction. Intersect at the point E. So if AB is 2/3 of DC, so the question asking, prove AE is equal 3/5 of AB and 2/5 of AD. I'm going to write on the paper to explain to you. So I draw the trapezoid. And that's two diagonal. That's the vector direction. So for AB and DC. Now we write down all the elements in the question, like diagonal AB and CD intersect at the E. And if AB, the top line, is equal 2/3 for the baseline, BC. So that's the given element. And by the way, we can solve it. Now, DC equal how much? It's going to be equal 3/2 times AD, the reciprocal of the fraction from the 2/3. Now, the question asking, prove AE. So AE is this portion of the diagonal. So it's equal 3/5 of AB, the top line, and 2/5 of AD, the side line. Now, we're going to think about the point we're going to prove first is going to be the AC. Why? Because AC is the entire whole line of from AE is a portion from AC. Now, and then from there, we first look at the triangle ADC. So ADC. So we're going to write here. So I'm going to make room here in this side to work on and move my camera in this side. So in a triangle ADC. So we prove the key line is AC. So we're going to write AC. The vector is equal what? So AC is equal AD plus DC. So it's equal AD plus DC. So in this triangle. Now, what DC is equal? So we already solved here. DC is 3/2 of AB. So we continue to substitution. Now, this is our first equation for the line AC. Now we're going to write another vector equation for the line AC. So we're going to look at the triangle. So in the line, so let's write the triangle first. Excuse me. So the next, for the AC vector equation, we don't need to look at a triangle. We just look at this diagonal line. So it's divided by ratio, by the E, the point E. So we have an AC is equal AE and EC. vector AE at EC. Now, and for this line, we know the portion is like the first is the 1 and the second is 3/2, like trapezoid of property. So you know EC is equal 3/2 of AE. So therefore, with substitution here, so the next vector equation for AC is AE plus 3/2 of AE. Now we get two equations. We know AC vector equal AC vector. We're going to write two equations equal each other. So we write here. I'm going to move paper a little bit up. So we write the first portion for AC will be AE at 3/2 of AE. So it's equal the first equation, vector AD at 3/2 of vector AB. So now we are going to solve it. So how are we going to solve it? So we're going to combine the line term. Now, AE and AE are line term. We can add them together. So AE, the coefficient is a 1. So if I write 1 here, it means 2/2. So I'm going to write 2/2. So make it into a same denominator. Now we're going to combine it together. Like 2/2 is 3/2. So we are going to get 5/2 vector AE. So it's equal vector AD at 3/2 of vector AB. Now, and then we are going to divide the coefficient to each term. So we're going to isolate AE. So vector AE is equal. So if AD divide 5/2, it means the reciprocal of 2/5. And then A divide the second term. So it's going to be 3/2 divide 5/2. So it's equal how much? It means 3/2. The detailed calculation here. So the coefficient divide each term, move to the other side. It's going to be reciprocal of the fraction become 2/5. So times the bracket AD vector and 3/2 of AB. Now 3/2 times AD, we get 2/5 AD. Now how about times this term? So 2 and 2 cancel. You end up as a 3/5 of AB. Now this is proof what the question is asking. The question asking proof 3/5 of AB at 2/5 of AD. So 3/5 of AB at 2/5 of AD. So that's how we prove it. So vector AE is equal to 2/5 of vector AD at 3/5 vector of BC. And this question is in the textbook, page 301, unit 6.3, question 22. And please continue to practice to improve or advance your study. So this is Marquis Learning Center, the tutoring class. This is our online contact number, and that's the subject we are tutoring for a university preparation courses. And please subscribe my video, and I'm going to continue explain for the vector ratios. Thank you. Bye bye.